Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you an interesting feature from OpenAI. It's called Operator. So Operator can handle various tasks in browser. So Operator can be asked to handle a wide variety of repetitive browser tasks such as filling out form, ordering groceries, or even creating memes. So if you want to order something from Instamart or Instacart, so you can actually put in a grocery list to it. So you can say that you order these many items from the market, or it could be Amazon also. So it will go ahead and order those objects for you, and only during payment it will ask for the details. So you can automate various repetitive tasks. You can also ask it to book the flights or plan a holiday, including all bookings. So it will do all these things for you. It is currently available in USA only, a research preview of an AI agent that can use its own browser to perform tasks for you. It's available to pro users in the United States currently. So if you are in the US, you can actually go to operator.chatgpt.com and you can actually access it. So as it says, for my region it is not available. So you can see here some of the tasks it is doing. So find and book me the highest rated one-day tour of Rome on TripAdvisor. So it says I will search for the highest rated tour of historic Rome on TripAdvisor. Once I find a suitable option, I will provide you with the more details. So it has already searched for it, and this is the tour option it has got. So
Introducing Operator.
So an Operator is an agent, like I told you, that can go to the web to perform tasks for you. Using its own browser, it can look at web page and interact with it by typing, clicking, and scrolling. It is currently a research preview, meaning it has limitations and will evolve based on user feedback. So Operator is one of the first agents which are AIs capable of doing work for you independently. You give it a task and it will execute it. So how to use it? To get started, simply describe the task you would like it to get it done. An Operator can handle the rest. Users can choose to take over control of the remote browser at any point. An Operator is trained to proactively ask the user to take over the task and require login, payment details, or when solving captchas. Users can personalize their workflows in operating by adding custom instructions either for all sites or specific ones, such as getting preferences for airlines on booking.com. Operator lets users save prompts for quick access on the home page, ideal for repeated tasks like restocking groceries on Instacart, similar to using multiple tabs on a browser. Users can have Operator run multiple tasks simultaneously by creating new conversations, like ordering a personalized enamel mug on Etsy while booking a campsite on HipCamp. All those things can be done. So they are trying to create a whole ecosystem. So Operator transforms AI from a passive tool to an active participant in the digital ecosystem. So it will streamline tasks for users and bring the benefits of agent to companies that involve customer experiences and desire higher rates of conversion. So they're collaborating with companies like DoorDash, Instacart, OpenTable. So OpenTable, and you can book restaurants by saying that you book an appointment for a restaurant in Mumbai for the evening of 7th. So then it will find the best restaurant for you in that area and book it for you, the table. So to explore these use cases further, they are working on organizations like City of Stockton to make it easier to enroll in city services and programs. So these are the current partners that they have worked with. See this, you can see here, booking.com, Instacart. So they have selected a few ones, but it works with the other ones also. But they have optimized it for these websites. If you see companies like Uber. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.